everyone, I'm back with a Stitch Fix unboxing. Shawna here, and I got this little box and I'm really excited to open it. I didn't ask for anything in particular, however, it's just the same as it's been. We're staying home. I'm being really critical of the things I get because I just am not getting an opportunity to wear them anywhere. So I feel like I've been more critical than usual about what I keep. And so I hope this box keeps everybody's situation in mind, right? As far as what we can wear out and what we're staying in. So I hope they're kind of factoring that in, I guess. So, but I didn't ask for anything. Let's open it up and see what I got. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, you can try it using my referral code below and you get a free, your first box is free, no styling fee. And so why not try it? You got nothing better to do. You're just staying home. Oh, this is different. Brown paper bundle. That's cute. All right, I got all the paperwork here. Okay, oh my God, look at this. Is a tiny bundle, but I have something else in there too. Let's look at this first. It's tiny, but the colors are nice. Okay, so the first is like, God, it looks, I can't tell if it's red or orange. On the camera it looks orange, but in person it looks red. But it's just probably a dark orange. I feel like I have something kind of like this, but not this color. It's cute. I don't know if I love this fabric during the summer, even though it's really light. I don't always love this fabric. I don't know about you guys. I'm a cotton wearer. This is cotton. I like wearing cotton during the summer. It's probably because I sweat. So it's cute though. Okay, we'll try that on. All right, floral. Okay, I see people get these all the time on these videos and I never do. And I think they are adorable, these little off the shoulder thing. I think they're adorable, except for I tend to, anything with like a weird neckline, I tend to not go for it, even though I think they're so cute because you have to wear a strapless bra. So we'll try that on, see if it's worth it. It's gonna have to be pretty spectacular to wear a strapless bra. This is the way it is. Okay, and then here's just a fun striped shirt. It looks like a little boy's shirt. It's really soft. It's marked in Spruce. Super soft. It has like little purple and little blue lines. So this is kind of what I feel like, even though this probably isn't my favorite straight out of the box, this is probably the thing that I would wear all the time because it's soft, it's cotton, it's casual. Just the times. Okay, what else did I get? Okay, jewelry. I never get jewelry in here. All right, let's see. What is this? Oh, that's kind of fun. Just like, I don't know, even just fun little links on here for a long necklace. And I don't have that many long necklaces, and it looks like actually it's adjustable so that you can make it longer or shorter depending on what you're wearing. And I am just, oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm failing at this. I'm a beginner at jewelry, but look at, that's pretty cute. We'll try it on with stuff and see how it looks on. All right, and then the last thing, what is this? Is it a purse? Oh, it's a mini backpack. What do you guys think? I'm not really a mini backpack wearer. My daughter has a little mini backpack, kind of similar. I don't know, I've never really gotten into them. I don't know if I would like them. It seems weird to me, but I don't have one. Maybe there's something about it that I'll like. We'll play around with it and see. Let me know what you think about that. Tell me what your feelings about mini backpacks are. That's pretty subtle. It's not like a child's mini backpack, but it's, yeah, I mean, it's cute. I just don't know if it's me. All right, let me go try on the few shirts I got and see how they fit. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the first shirt. And I will admit, when I was putting this on, I was like, This is classic Stitch Fix, right? Am I right? This is a classic. I feel like I've gotten many of these in different iterations, different colors, slightly different cuts. But I will say, I've bought plenty of them, and I really like this one actually, even though I'm not in love with the fabric. I think it's really flattering. The color, I like a bright color once in a while and a solid. And I think the color is kind of fun. I asked my husband what color he thought it was. He's like, I don't know. It's like a hot salmon. So I don't know. I think it's fun though. Tell me what you think. Probably if the price is good, I would consider it just because I like it. Would I wear it all the time? Do I need it? Oh, need. We don't talk about need here. We never talk, we can't talk about need. We just talk about fun. So I do think it's really cute. So we'll check price and see how that, you know, how that makes me feel about it. All right, let me go try on the next shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next shirt, and it's real fun, isn't it? It's so soft. My husband loved it. It's real cute shirt, isn't it? I like how the stripes go in a different direction, kind of on the collar. It's soft and fun and stretchy. My only fear is like sometimes shirts like this, and I don't know what it is about it, that I'll like get it and I'll wear it for a year, and then I'll look at it and be like, I cannot believe I wore that shirt for like a year. It looks terrible, which I have no idea why this shirt makes me think of that, but tell me what you think. Is it cute and fun, or is it like one I will grow to regret? I don't know why I would, but tell me what you think about this. It's definitely something that I would wear around the house for the next, God knows how long. Okay, so it also will depend on the price. Let me go try on the last shirt, and then I'll do the necklace and the backpack and all that at once. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last shirt. Okay, never had a shirt like this before, and it looks real cute on other people. And it made my husband real happy, but he said it depended on the price. And so, I don't know. What do you think about it? It's cute. It's really cute. This is where I might have to be critical, like, I'm not gonna be wearing this anywhere this summer, right? Oh, but it is really cute. Has a fun, like, kind of crepey material. So it's not cotton, but it's soft like that, right? It's not just a polyester. I tend to think I got a little too beefy of shoulders for this, but it's cute without a doubt. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like them when you get them? Is it worth it? Do you like, right? Do you find that you wear it? Should I make an exception? I got the necklace, and I think the necklace is cute, but nothing super special. Nothing like I'm going gaga over. And then I tried to do the mini backpack, except for the straps were very confusing and complicated, and I already had one glass of wine tonight, so that wasn't gonna happen today. So you'll just have to use your imagination about a mini backpack. All right, let me go and put back on my regular clothes, and let's look at prices, and I'll have to make some decisions. I'll be right back. Okay, time to look at prices. And I just read my stylist note, and she said, thank you for being patient because they've been really struggling with inventory recently, which is good that she mentioned it because I haven't been in love with my latest couple of boxes, and I have really liked it. Actually, I was actually thinking maybe I need to switch up my stylist, and just because I haven't loved much of it. And so it was good to know that they're struggling with inventory due to the pandemic. So that was good to know. Give it another shot and be patient. And they said they're gonna start getting more summer styles in. So that would be fun. Okay, so let's check the prices because on this box, it really matters, right? There was some stuff that I liked, but it was kind of on the fence about. Okay, so the necklace is by Bancroft and it's $28. I think that's a totally reasonable price, but I mean, I didn't love it. It's a nice enough necklace, but I'm just not in love with it. Be a little bit more critical on that one. Okay, it says it's red, the red pleated top, and it is by Serein. Yeah, Serein. And it's 58. What do you think? Is it worth 58? I think I was hoping it was a little bit cheaper. Not because the value's not there, just because I'm not sure how much I needed it. So let me know if you think this is worth 58, because I do like the brightness and it's really flattering. It looked really cute. Okay, the off the shoulder top. Ooh, that is a good price. It's 38. That's good, I think. Do you think it's worth it? Tell me, people, did you find that you're pulling it, you know, pulling it down all the time? Like, do you like it once you get them? Let me know what you think about them. Do you wear them regularly, or is it kind of more a special occasion? So is it worth 38? Okay. The double zip backpack is 48. It's just not me. I'm just not a mini backpack wearer, so it's cute. I like it. It's real subtle, but just not me. Okay. And last but not least is the Market and Spruce striped top, and it is 44. Man, does that seem like a little bit high for a t-shirt? But it seems really good quality. It's super soft and stretchy. It's fun. What do you think? Ooh, this is a tough one. The one shirt, the off the shoulder shirt, which I wouldn't be that inclined to get, is the cheapest thing. It got me. Okay, so the whole box is $216. If I bought all 5 things, I get 25% off. That takes off $54. So the total of the box minus my $20 styling fee is $142. I mean, that is a really good price for a box, I think. Usually mine are around $200 easy. So I think that's a good price. I don't need everything, but man, that Stitch Fix math really gets you. Makes me think maybe I do need a mini backpack. All right, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can get notifications anytime I post new videos. Thanks again. Hope you guys are staying happy and safe. See you next time.